Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Maria, and if you're not, hello again and thank you very much for watching. So today's video is going to be a part of the 3-day mask challenge, or whatever you want to call it. So it's time for the second mask video, and today's mask is going to be a hydrating one. So we already deep cleaned our skin and now it's time to nurture it a little bit. So this mask is going to be really fun because it's not a typical mask, it's a panda mask. Yeah, and it's supposed to look like a panda, so I'm really excited about this one. I think it's going to be really fun. This is something that could be perfect for slumber parties or something like that, and yeah, I'm really excited to test it out. So without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so let's take it out. I'm opening the mask. Wow, it smells amazing. Okay, so this is what the mask looks like. It's very interesting and fun, and I cannot wait to test it out. So yeah, let's put it on. Okay, so this is what the mask looks like on my face, and I feel and look totally ridiculous. I cannot believe I'm going to post this video on YouTube, but I'm kind of living for it. It's really fun. So oh wow. This mask is vegan friendly, by the way, if you cannot tell, and it's a lot of fun. I feel totally ridiculous, but I actually love it. I cannot believe I'm going to post this on the internet, but who cares? So far so good. It's been on my face for 5 minutes. You're supposed to keep it for 10 to 20 minutes. It smells really nice. It doesn't itch or anything. It's Balea brand mask. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes, so it's time to take the mask off and see if it's any good or just fun. So yeah, I cannot wait to see the results, so let's do that. Wow, I think I can definitely see a difference. My skin looks so much more hydrated and it feels much better to the touch. So yeah, this is an excellent mask. It costs around $3, I believe. It's not that cheap, but it's not an expensive mask, and I believe it's really a lot of fun. So I do recommend it. If you can get it, get it. So yeah, that concludes this video. If you like it, leave it a thumbs up and please subscribe. I post videos twice a week, and yeah, the next mask is going to be a 24 karat gold under eye mask that costs $1,000. So yeah, stay tuned for that and see you in the next video. Bye!